Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Google Fit to Sydney Health app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently, the Sydney Health app does not have direct integration with Google Fit for syncing fitness or health data. However, you can use the following approaches to potentially connect or share data between the two apps indirectly. So what you need to do is first check the Sydney Health app settings. Open the Sydney Health app and navigate to the settings or connected devices section. Look for any options to connect third-party fitness apps including Google Fit. As of now, this feature is not officially supported, but updates may change this. Use a third-party integration tool. If Sydney Health supports other platforms, example Fitbit or Garmin, you can use a third-party app like HealthSync to transfer data between Google Fit and supported platforms. Download HealthSync from the Google Play Store and configure it to share data between Google Fit and any app Sydney Health recognizes. Number 3 is to manually input data into Sydney Health. If integration isn't available, you can manually log relevant health data, example steps, exercise or calories, into the Sydney Health app based on the data tracked in Google Fitbit. Contact Anthem support. If syncing Google Fit with Sydney Health is important, contact Anthem customer support through their app or their website. They can confirm whether the integration is available or planned for the future. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.